BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Hello, my friends. Let's draw and paint together. We are going to draw the lion and a cute turtle. First, I'm drawing the lion face. I draw his eyes. Eyebrow. I draw his mouth. Look, he's watching the drawing. Then I'm drawing his mane. I draw his ears. And I'm drawing his body. I draw his legs. Turtle crawls so low, lion leaps up high. Together they're the perfect pair, reaching for the sky. Turtle and the lion, side by side, they roam through the jungle trees. I draw his tail. Turtle takes it slow. Lion bounces and I'm going to draw a cute turtle. Explore the world, having a blast. Turtle and the lion, friends so true, exploring the jungle, just me and you. With shells and manes, we're on our way, having adventures every single day. Through the tall grass, we'll crawl and creep. Look at this cute turtle. Swimming, playing hide and seek. Turtle and lion, an unlikely I draw some flowers. Together we conquer, we're an unbeatable pair. I draw the sun. Lion, side by side, our friendship so strong. We can't hide in the jungle where we roam. I draw the clouds. Turtle and lion, finding our home. Turtle and the lion, on an adventure, down by the riverside, under the big blue sky. Turtles slow and steady, lions quick and strong. Together they're unstoppable where they belong. Turtle shell is tough, sandy brown color. Lions are living in Africa, and they are wild animals. Do you love lions? Yellow. Together they're the perfect pair, reaching for the sky. Orange. Turtle and the lion, side by side, they roam through the jungle trees. They find a happy home. His mane looks gorgeous. Lion bounces fast. Together sandy brown color. World, having a blast. Turtle and the lion. Lions are majestic animals. Exploring the jungle, just me and you. With shells and manes, we're on our way, having adventures every single day. Through the tall grass, we'll crawl and let's coloring a cute turtle with brown. Swimming, playing hide and seek. Turtle and lion, an dark green. Pair. Together we conquer, we're an unbeatable pair. Spring turtle green color. Lion, side by side, our friendship so strong. We can't hide in the jungle where we roam. Turtle and lion, finding our home. Looks at this cute turtle. Dark blue. Turtle and the lion, on an adventure, down by the river. Yellow. Under the big blue sky. Turtle slow spring green. Lions quick and strong. Together they're unstoppable where they belong. Pink. Turtle shell is tough, protects him every red day. Purple. Scaring fears away. Mint green color. Lion leaps up high. Together they're the perfect pair. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Turtle and the lion, side by side, they roam through the jungle trees. They find a happy home. Turtle takes it slow.